Thanks to the continued brilliance of super agent Jorge Mendes, it looks like championship side Wolves have secured one of the signings of the decade. Nuno Espírito Santo's side, who are flying high in the league at present, have reportedly clinched a deal with Valencia starlet Rafa Mir, who turned down a move to Real Madrid to seal the move to the West Midlands. Mir has been attracting interest from top European clubs for some time, after scoring 15 goals in 19 games for Valencia Mestalla this season. But a last-minute move will see him join Wolves in the January transfer window. Mir, who is on the books of agent Jorge Mendes, will sign a 4-year contract with the championship outfit in a deal worth £1.5 million, according to the Express and Star. The 20-year-old forward refused to sign his contract renewal in the summer, and Valencia manager Marcelino reminded him that he wouldn't train or play with the first team until he fixed his contractual situation. Tottenham had reportedly been interested in his services as well, but Wolves have produced the goods on this occasion and secured a dream signing.